Hello! Now we're in another YouTube video. Well, what are we going to be doing today? Is it planets, stars, black holes? I don't know. Well, glad you clicked on this video to find out. Subscribe! What's this say? That means... Oh, hello everybody! I'm so excited. It says, why are gas planets? Well, very good question. I'm glad you asked. Well, let's get straight into it, shouldn't we? Well, one thing is their intense gravitational pull, and that gas planets are usually much larger than our home planet Earth. And although Earth is huge compared to Jupiter's, check out our other videos, it's much bigger. I'm not even saying, I can't remember. Come on. And in fact, let's use Jupiter as today's example. Its core, which is another reason, its core can be heated up to 63,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And the sun's surface is 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And, well, we talk about that. It's very hot. I need to take this off. Oh, it's so hot. But another thing is that Jupiter has an intense gravity, as I just told you. But look, Jupiter. Okay, I'm trying to make it look good for you. Okay, and I'm a terrible artist, but that's Jupiter. It has 79 known moons, orbiting it at all times. Okay, I know, hopefully it is 79, I don't think it is, but say that's one of its moons. It's going to need a lot of gravity to get those, isn't it? Well, there's only one way that it has to do that, and that's because all of its gas creates an atmosphere, and the atmosphere creates mass, and the mass creates a gravitational pull which forces those planets, just like the sun forces planets in its orbit. Jupiter creates planets in its orbit, and planets, because Jupiter could easily hook the Earth around it. Easy, yeah, easy. And another reason is, well, think about the sun. It's made of the same stuff. Why is that a star? Well, come on. Everyone knows the sun is big. I mean, look at it. And that's from 93 million miles away. Just look at it. Imagine what it would look like if you were standing next to it. I mean, yeah, I think it's fair to say it's impossible. I think you'd kind of die from sweat when you get to Venus's point, and then I think you would be toast a long time before halfway. So yeah, it's gonna get up. Okay, well, I really wonder why Earth is made of rock. Well, we're going to talk about that just for a minute. This is Earth, not Jupiter. This is Earth, much smaller. Okay, I'm trying to do countries now, sorry. Okay, pretend this is Earth. It's not. It's about 100 billion, million, trillion times bigger, but okay, it's good enough. And Earth's core is heated up to 10,000 degrees. So we're just going to put a 10, so it's 10. It's 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, well, 10,500. Fine. You work it out yourself. Fine. Okay, well, you know what I said? This is Earth. There's the moon. This is Jupiter. There's Saturn. There's Saturn. Okay. So that's about Jupiter because Jupiter's naughty. Okay, so that's Jupiter. That's Jupiter's moon. Of course, that's how. One moon. So I get it bigger because it is the fifth largest in the solar system. Okay. We get drifted towards Jupiter, as you know. We talked about Earth and Jupiter ever met. Go and watch that video if you haven't already. And yeah, well, I kind of wonder, talking about Jupiter ever met Earth, I want to know what would happen if Saturn met Earth. Well, that is for another video. Subscribe!